Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Vogue edit on CapCut PC. So you're just going to get a video, any video you want. I'm just going to use this one actually, and go to the part where you want to freeze frame it. So I'm just going to freeze frame it here. Then I'm just going to, I forgot to show you actually, you have to like freeze frame the part where you want the logo to show up. So I'm just going to freeze frame it here. And then I'm just going to go to the filter section and I'm going to add in the black and white filter on it. So I'm just going to grab it. I'm going to add it to the place where I freeze framed it. And I'm also going to adjust the duration a little bit. Go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word Vogue. And I'm just going to use this font. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!